Scotty, are you,
We are in digging hell.
Oh, yeah, you're degoopifying. Are you cleaning up for Patrick?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. Scrubby, scrubby, scrubby. Early morning scrubby.
Patrick, you know we love you, dude, but you's the dirty little boy. You really is. You're dirty.
All right, then.
Just say Sorry, Patrick. You know me already. Come on.
6:37 in the morning, and Scotty's already calling clients dirty.
Ooh, I love dirty boys. I mean,
And that was good God. All right, so Scotty's gonna decrustify this as much as he can. A lot of our engine parts came.
Yes.
So I'm gonna do a quick video on that after we're done, you and I discussing, because this just needs a good decockeying, really. I mean,
poo-poo.
De-poo-pooing. And then I get to do my favorite, not really my favorite, but I'm good
You
at
can't put that on video for YouTube. They'll ban us permanently.
What?
You're doing your favorite.
Well, that's a short film.
Well, this is true, but that's not the point.
It's a hell of a mess.
Well, just saying.
I might get smacked with, stop shaking the
Flip
bed.
it up, rub it down. Oh, sorry. Back
But-
seat, windows.
Whoa.
Oops.
Anyway, so once Scotty gets the decrapification process handled, I need to do my magic drilling and...
Oh, that's what we're calling it now, drilling?
I'm talking about the broken exhaust studs that every FE on the face of the earth has. So, yes, I do need to drill and do my magic. Also, I gotta get freeze plugs for this baby. I got all kinds of stuff to do. Alright, so I'm gonna do... Yeah, you do this. I'm gonna do a clip on his parts that came.
Wait a minute, you're going to put his parts on the internet?
Oh, yeah.
I'm interested.
I mean, your parts are...
My parts are already on the internet. That's just a given.
Yeah.
We won't even go there on that one.
Oh, boy. Alright, so... Coming along...
Wait a minute, how did you... I didn't know you were on that side of the internet.
No, you tell me things that I shouldn't know.
Well, a couple of guacaludes, some drinks. I become a little more free-willing.
You like that red dress, don't you?
I do.
Yummy. So much gook. Alright.
And Patrick, we love you, buddy.
Did you have to say love you while holding this dipstick?
Yes, I did. Oops. Sorry.
You're making it grow.
Woohoo!
Okay, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning.
No, actually, what time?
It's 6:40? I guess, right?
6:41 in the morning.
Close enough.
And just think, I'm like this 5 seconds after being out of bed.
This is what you have to deal with if you want to live with this, anybody. Terrifying.